He's sleeping. No. 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 Leave him up. No. Can't get in.
Oh no! He's flying.
Someone's just providing emotional support, one fake sniffle at a time.
So good and tasty.
Time to get up. Sophie.
The foreman has arrived. Everyone, back to work.
So good and tasty.
Yeah? Yeah? Oh, there it is.
It's like they're sharing the same sleep mode.
Out, shouldn't you?
Yep.
Right, ready?
Give him Mr. Bite on.
Oh, you look so funny. Go lay down. Go lay down. Bye.
Yummy. He's so cute. Oh.
He gets really excited about the peppercino. Oh my god.
Aduh.
Say mentally I am not well. Physically.
No. No.
From twinning stretches to synchronized silliness, these pups
Hey, Sadie.
So excited for her walk. Right, Bella? Sorry, ready for a walk? Yay! I know. Juju's just dragging with your treats, though. You could do it. Yes, you can. Come on. One step at a time. Yep, come on. There you go. Be very... Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
A natural part of a dog's prey drive.
I just want to know if you, boss, do you know what personal space is? Do you know? Because why is your toy on me?
Oh my god. Don't get a red one. Whatever you do, don't get a red one. Get a white one. The white ones are chill. The red ones think they're tigers. Ow.
I just need to press a button here. Excuse me. I'm losing my answers. Damn it.
Huh?
Get it.
Now get her.
We have to go into the vet. Okay? It's as simple as that. We're here at the vet's. We have an appointment.
So sweet. Oh my goodness, I can't handle the precious. No, Daddy's sleeping. No, no, no. Leave him up. No.
It's doing it again.
Max, vamos, 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 papi. A bañarnos, a bañarnos.
Here for 5 minutes. Sage drops, cannot recover. Sage is out, and we are down to 4. It is so.
血压和心肺都是正常的，他就什么事。
Here we go.
What are you doing, buddy?
Die dan als een afpersing. Bij een woonwagenkamp van de Hoogheuvels werd een man doodgeschoten. Op de achtergrond werd dan wel de naam.
I'm sorry, Mommy. I'm sorry.
Here we go.
I like to be a peeping Tom if I can. I'll watch your whole family.
The puppy is teaching them a new, high-energy form of meditation.
No, you say "Ow!" If you're happy and you know, you say "Ow!"
Great example of social learning. Tumbling included.
I never. So I was gonna do that. My buddy Rob.
Paul, he's a boomer. Are you? Oh! It's doing it again.
Always cranky. Louis. Always cranky. Louis.
That moment, you realize the boring festival is actually kinda awesome.
I'll show you.
Watch out for your footwear, guys. The dog mafia will confiscate.
Was that on video?
Our dog wasn't having it today.
Tu vai derrubar.
The puppy is teaching them a new, high-energy form of meditation.
Flocky! Free! Oi!
Yes.
How are you coping with all the fame? Jeez.
Oh, you're so pretty and fluffy.
Do you mind? Ew! Ivy.
Call the vet. We have a severe case of a corn trauma. This is Mission Impossible starring James Doggo. Yawning is a sign of a strong bond, not being tired.
Can you get back?
Mamá. Samuel Andrés. Mamá.
Oh, everybody's.
Look at all those tails wagging. Okay.
The foreman has arrived. Everyone, back to work.
У вас какая после купания?
What's wrong? Yeah, tell me about it. Oh, I know. Yeah. Oh, I know.
He gets really excited about the peppercino. Oh my god.
Нет, это моего покупателя. Это Люся.
Everybody has their own way of doing yoga, guys.
Hola, lindo. Oh.
Yet another weird thing Hash does with his turkey giblet treats. So excited for her walk. Right, Belisar? You ready for a walk? Yay! I know. Juju's just dragging with your treats, though.
Come up here. Come up here. Come up here.
That moment, you realize the boring festival is actually kinda awesome.
Oh,
Ozzy. Luna.
His brain is calculating the fastest route to your food. Yes, you're the driver, girl, but I am the boss.
Huh? Alright, we have that's fine. It's okay. One thing that's funny about
Hi, baby. I met you. Hi.
He's just borrowing the cap to complete his sunbathing look.
Just listen.
Flip your glasses. Flip your glasses up. Yeah, good job.
It's like they're sharing the same sleep mode. The dog's greeting committee is working overtime.
Come here.
Back to where fur meets funny. Today, let's watch how dogs hilariously copy their owners' every move. It's like looking in a mirror.
No, you say, "Ow!" If you're happy and you know, you say, "Ow!"
Great example of social learning. Tumbling included.
Max, vamos, vamos, vamos papi, a bañarnos, a bañarnos.
Why you always...
Someone's just providing emotional support, one fake sniffle at a time.
Salito. saying? You saying? What in the world is that?
He's just borrowing the cap to complete his sunbathing look.
Can I have this? Thank you. Bitch. Charlie!
You look great. Yes, you do. Do you like it? Oh, okay.
Me.
Bro, I'm trying to show people my nails, if you don't mind.
Yay! Good boy. Can you say mama? Yes, that's a good. Why you always?
Why you look so funny? Go lay down. Go lay down. Bye.
Hey.
Rudy, what happened?
Trolls, bro. Ezra. I don't know who taught you sign language, but you need to know.
The best way to handle a crisis is a nap.
I really don't know how that's going to be going. Look at all the catnip. Was it you?
How are you coping with all the fame? Oh, jeez.
Back. Good girl. Back. Rudy, what happened?
Me.
Clearly, he was already in a bad mood.
You gotta watch your teacher, okay?
What's the weather this afternoon?
Come on. Shall I go through first? Obi, come.
Go.
Yes, Rocky.
He's like, no. He's like,
Hey, come here, Doug.
The best way to handle a crisis is a nap.
Bro, I'm trying to show people my nails, if you don't mind.
Every day I wake up and I ask myself, how am I going to be the biggest pain in the ass that I can be?
Ready, on your mark, set, go! I don't know, I reckon it was a dead heat.
Lá foi, vai! Vai!
Yeah, a natural part of a dog's prey drive.
You're not a tiger. You're a golden retriever. Do you know that? Do you know what you are? You're supposed to be like the kindest dog in the
This email says, do you want to go in the office on Tuesday or Wednesday? There will be lots of treats there. Hopefully.
Yay, good boy. Can you say mama? Yes, that's a good.
Tucker, place. Good boy, yes.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? What you looking at?
Oh my god. Hi! Hi, baby! I met you! Hi! Hi! No.
This is Mission Impossible starring James Doggo.
You sit and clap. You sit, you clap, and you clap, and you clap, clap.
Your favorite person arrives.
You're gonna get it stuck in the... Okay, I'm stuck.
Come on. Time to get up. Sophie.
Hello. Hey.
Nikki, tegen hem Nikki,
Benjamin, huh? Good morning. Did you get up on me with the muddy?
Here for 5 minutes. Sage drops, cannot recover. Sage is out, and we are down to 4. It is so.
Sit. Sit and clap. If you sit, you pet. And you clap. And you clap, clap.
Meeting.
You're on to what's coming out of her. What's wrong, Abby? Oh my god, I've never seen anything like it.
Call the vet. We have a severe case of a corn trauma.
Was that on video?
Go see Daddy, please.
Come here. Frankie, come here. Come here. Can you sit?
Come on. You can do it. Come on, sideways. Oh, God. You look great. Yes, you do. Do you like it? Oh, okay.
Puppies! Oh, puppies! Oh, puppies!
Ay, ganda naman na.
Posso subir, Cal?
Dogs need more sleep than humans, around 12 to 14 hours a day.
Oh, babe.
Oh my god, relax. That was so dramatic.
Come on, Bo. Come on.
You waving to Mum?
His brain is calculating the fastest route to your food. Yes, you're the driver, girl, but I am the boss.
Buzz, what are you doing? Buzz.
You're not a tiger. You're a golden retriever. Do you know that? Do you know what you are? You're supposed to be like the kindest dog in the
这头了，跑这头了，跑这头来了。